To connect your Google Pixel phone with a car, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to find the connected devices, go to connection preferences, and all the way down you'll be able to find Android Auto. Now if you select it for the first time, it may open in Google Play Store where you will need to upgrade your Android Auto app. So you need your Google account and internet for the setup. Then when it's ready, click on Connect Vehicle, and there's two options to connect your car. First one is through the cable. If you have a cable that allows you to connect your phone and your car, then you can try it. Do it right now, and on this screen, if it works, you'll be able to proceed to the next step. If it doesn't, you can always try to connect it with wireless Bluetooth method. So to do that, click on Connect using wireless Android, and from here you will need to enter pairing mode on your specific car. You can Google that, just simply enter your car model and then how to enter pairing mode. When it's in pairing mode, click on Connect using Bluetooth, pair vehicle, and here pair new device, and find your vehicle on available devices list. Select it, and that way you'll be able to connect it with your car. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.